for today's video, I will be teaching you how to set up any controller on Steam for any game. First step, open Steam on your account and then press the Steam button at the top left corner of your screen. Then press Settings and scroll down until you see the option about controller. So just press Controller, and here you'll see different settings about your controller. So what you have to do, or what you want to do, is enable Steam input for Xbox controllers or PlayStation or Switch, depending on what gadget you'll be using. If you'll use Xbox, you can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver, and you can also check other options or other settings here. Now, what you can do next is go back to your Steam profile, look for the game that you want to play. So for example here, I'll simply look for NBA. Then once you find the game that you want to play, just right click, press properties, and here you'll see an option regarding the controller. You'll see here that the controller is enabled, so you can also check other settings for you to ensure that the controller will work once you play NBA on whatever gadget you have. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.